In this video I'm going to be taking 2 Lego sets and I'm going to be merging them to make one awesome build. The rules, you can only use what's in the boxes. Let's go. So given the 2 sets that I've chose, Minions, Lego City, Lorry, I think I'm going to have to make some sort of Minion themed lorry. Kind of makes sense, right? Let's take a look in the boxes. So we have got the contents of the Lego City truck set laid out here. That is a lot of pieces. Hopefully that'll give us some good build options. Let's take a look at the Minion. So as I purchased the Minion set brand new second hand, it is partially built, but we might be able to use that to our advantage. Let's try and make something with this. I think the plan is to start with using the Lego City instructions. I'm going to make the base of the lorry, and then from there I'm going to use the Minion set to convert it. But I think I want to use the instructions to get the base laid out. It might be easier for me. Let's give it a go. Probably should have used bag 1 before emptying it all out. In hindsight, it's more fun this way. So I have finished as much as I'm going to do from the instruction book. That took a lot longer than expected given that I mixed all the parts together. But regardless, here we are to a point. I wanted to keep some authenticity with the front cab and the front section, so that's why I've got as far as I have. So now all the back wants to be converted Minion-fied, and also I might do some alterations to the front, but I wanted to be able to get to this point with the instructions. So let's get to it. So quite a lot of trial and error later, I managed to come up with the Minion police truck where the Minions are on patrol and they're catching all the criminals. It's a Minion themed cell at the back. It's going to have the observation or the intelligence unit up on the top, and I've just tried to adapt the theme slightly to make it more Minion-fied. But it's a little bit extreme now, so I think now we need to add some details to it and bring it back to a little bit of Lego City, because I really want to try and tie the two in together and not just make it just Minion or just Lego City. So let's get to the next stage. So I think I've done it, guys. I think I've finished. I'm quite pleased with the result. It didn't quite go back as far to Lego City as I was expecting, but we've added in some Lego City features on here to make it look a bit more sort of like intelligence. You know, it's trying to catch the criminals. So I'm really pleased with the result. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Did I do a good job or not? Let's take a look at the end result. It was just a normal day until over the radio came news of a vicious assault. Bob had been attacked with a crowbar by an escaped convict. Bob wanted to defend himself against the vicious attacker, but he couldn't because his eyes were looking the wrong way. The attacker just got on top and just kept repeatedly hitting him with the crowbar. Stuart told Kevin the news, so Kevin immediately jumped into the Minion Mobile and headed over to go and arrest this criminal. The Minion Mobile was at full speed. Stuart leapt out and handcuffed this vicious criminal. Time to throw it in the van, but not before Bob got some revenge of his own. Justice was served and the criminal was locked away. Minion Mobile saved the day. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye for now.